creators, welcome back to the HitPaw channel. In our last video, we showed you how to restore old photos online in just one click. But today, we're taking things a step further. What if you could not only repair old photos, but actually bring them to life? Yep, we're talking about animating old photos online with AI, just like these examples right here. So let's jump in. We'll start with this old photo. Before animating it, we first need to restore and enhance the image quality. Click the link below and hit the purple Restore Now button. Then simply upload your photo. HitPaw AI will automatically analyze the image and choose the best enhancement models for you. For this photo, it selected Restore Old Photo together with AI Upscale. Now check out the before and after comparison. The difference is huge. The restored version looks sharper, cleaner, and much more detailed, almost like it was captured on a modern camera. Once the photo is restored, it's time for the fun part, animation. I've also added the direct link below so you can try it instantly. Upload the restored photo again, choose the animation model you like, and then type a prompt describing the movement you want to create. You can add subtle facial expressions, head movement, blinking, body motion, whatever fits the photo best. After entering your prompt, click Generate. Give the AI a few seconds to process everything, and your old photo will transform into a moving video. And there it is. A once static photo is now alive with motion. Honestly, it's pretty incredible seeing old memories turned into something so vivid and real. Whether you want to restore photos, animate videos, or enhance audio, you can do it all in one place.